Microsoft Publisher has something called the autocorrect feature. So over here, what we can do is write down some sentences right here. For example, and once I press space, you can see that the T has been converted into capital, because by default, the starting letter is converted into capital, and that is how sentence works, and Publisher knows that that is how the sentence structure is. The tutor tube is a tutorial channel, just like that. Alright, tutor tube is a tutorial channel. Let me just press C right here, and you can see that how it works. I am the tutor for it, just like that. So you can see that I has been converted in capital letter as well. Another example is that for autocorrect, if I were to, let's say, type in caps lock by mistake, I forgot to, let's say, for example, there. So everything is being corrected right there. Is, capital, is, and that is being corrected right there. Just like that. And now that is how autocorrect actually works. Another example is that I can open a bracket, press C, close it. It's a copyright symbol. Do the same with TM space, that's the trademark symbol. So this is the autocorrection, and some of the things, however, does not autocorrect. For example, if I were to do a spelling error just like this, you can see that it is not being corrected. So let us see how it actually works. In order to see what is being autocorrected, I can go into File right here, and I can go to Options. And inside of Options, you can see inside of Proofing, there's Autocorrect Options right here. So you can see that once I click it, you can see that it shows a lot of things. And before we go over to that section, you can see that it ignores word in total uppercases. So it does not convert everything down into capital if all of the letters are uppercase, and it ignores words that contains numbers, thinking that it's a symbol number. It ignores internet and file addresses like URL and so forth, and it flags repeated words. It does not actually delete or does anything to it. There are autocorrect options where we can see a lot of things. For example, we type in open bracket, C and close bracket, so that turn into the copyright symbol right here. Similarly, you can see that a lot of things actually happen. So if I were to type it about you, it turns into about, or ABBOUT, it turns into about, just like that. So it corrects. There are other corrections that is done as well. So correct two initial capitals, capitalize first letter of all sentences. So if you were to uncheck it, then that won't be enabled right there. Capitalize first letters of the table, capitalize names of the days, and correct accidental use of caps lock. That is what happened when I actually used the capital lock as well. And replace text as you type. That is, these are the replacement. For example, let's say for tutor tube, I want to replace TT with tutor tube, just like this. Press add, press OK, and once I press in TT space, you can see that it is automatically changed into tutor tube right here, then and there. So that is how autocorrect works inside of Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.